Hi guys, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're going to use this is red onion. We're dealing with the people who are gathering with your name. We have 2 or more enemies that are gathering. Every time they're together, they're discussing your name. So we're breaking their gathering. We're breaking their meeting about your name. What we're going to need is red onion like this, and a black pen, a piece of paper, and a knife, and a plastic bag. What we're going to do, guys, is we're going to write, let's say you know their names. You write their names, the people who are gathering about you. Even if you don't know their name, you just write things you think people are gathering about you. You write all your enemies on the paper. It must be plain paper like this. Let me write. You can write their names, you can write anything, as long as there are people gathering through your name. We're going to break them. We're also going to need a pepper. What we're going to do, we're going to cut our onion into 2 like this. You open it. You don't cut it all through into 2 parts. You just open it and you take the pepper like this. You put it on your paper that you wrote those people's names on, and then you speak, wrapping the paper on those names. You speak. Let's say it's all about you and Rose. You tell them, please leave me alone. Get out of my life. I'm breaking the gathering that you have about my name. From today you're going to be enemies. From today you're going to hate each other and you're going to expose each other. You're going to fight. From there you wrap the paper. Make sure the paper is not going out. Like this. You take that paper, you put it inside your onion, and then you close it. You take your plastic bag like this. Any plastic bag is fine. You take your plastic bag and you close it. You put your onion inside the plastic bag, then you close it. You're going to put this inside your freezer for 7 days. You're going to freeze this. You're going to put it inside your freezer for 7 days. After 7 days, you take it out like this. It will be a stone by then. You take it out. You go outside the yard. You dig, you bury it. Not inside your yard, outside the yard, in the forest maybe. You dig a hole. You bury it, you come back home without looking back. Make sure you don't even greet people, you don't even talk to people. Just bury it, go back home without looking back. You will see your enemies. They will fight each other. They will expose each other. You will know what they were discussing about you all the time. All the best, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment and give suggestion of other videos that you like us to share with you guys. All the best, guys. Until my next upload. Bye.